Hello and thank you for checking out my channel. I wanted to share an unboxing of a Snowball microphone with you, and it will be both an unboxing and a quick review. So I picked this up today from Target for $49.99, and I have been spending time looking at whether to get this or the Blue Yeti microphone, and for the most part, I'm at the very beginning stages of both streaming online and recording videos, so I felt like I would start with this and see how I liked it. So we have the Snowball Ice is supposed to be plug and play, so no drivers needed to start. The side has a nice image of it, and the back says crystal clear audio for Skype calls, create professional sounding podcasts and YouTube videos, record instruments, vocals, and entire bands, and easy plug and play. So what's included in the box is the microphone itself, a USB cable, and an adjustable desktop stand. Now my desktop does not have a lot of space, but we will make do. So let's open this up. Okay, so looks like this is how it comes. And if you're like me, you want to make sure you're getting a good value for what. Wow, this feels pretty heavy. You want to get a good value for what you're paying. So this is bigger than I thought it would be. It's larger than a tennis ball. It's about the size of I guess a Magic 8 ball. A little bit bigger than an orange. So looks like there's an indicator light. You have where the port would plug in, and then on the bottom it looks like there's threads. So if you see, this is where you would actually screw in the stand. So let's see. So they had some dry packets in there to keep that part from potentially getting rusted. Alright, so let's put this somewhere safe. Let's see. It's like Christmas in August. Alright. So if you like this video, please feel free to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you are into review videos or into chess videos, by all means, keep coming back to the channel. So there's an information booklet. We have the actual stand. Let's open this up. Let's see that. And the USB port. So this gives a lot of detailed information about frequencies and what in decibels and what it'll pick up, but let's see about getting started. I imagine it is just as simple as I'll screw this in. Right, we have a little stand. Look at these legs kick up. And so there's supposed to be several sound modes. One which only picks up the sound in front of the microphone, and that is good for streamers because sometimes you don't want the feedback from the TV. You just want the voice over action. And there's also an Omni microphone setting where it'll pick up everything. And if you're doing something that has like typing in there, you may not want to have it on that setting. Alright, so let's see what happens when we plug this in. And I use Streamlabs as my primary. So it says setting up. So I will. See if I go to add my sources, if there's any. So I will, I'll show it on this screen. And so using my Streamlabs now, I have the option default microphone. It showed up just by plugging it in, or the blue Snowball. So let's try this out. I will have to look up that device timestamps. Microphone check. Testing, testing, 1, 2, testing. So I will turn down setting for both. So let's see if there's any major difference from before, and maybe if there's any time delay versus the internal microphone. So once again, this is the Blue Ice microphone. It costs $49.99 at Target, and you be the judge of if it sounds any differently. So let's see if it picked up that sound. The device is ready to go, and so that's what you're hearing. And so it says setup incomplete, restart your computer. Alright, so maybe it's not actually picking up the sound, so I will pause right here and then hop right back in with the second part of the video. Be right back. Welcome back to part 2 of this overview. So I restarted my computer. It says in the instructions on Windows 7, 8, or 10, connect via the USB cable. From the start menu, go to your control panel, select the sound icon, and go to the recording tab. Under the recording tab, right click and select properties. Select the level tab and choose the appropriate volume level. So levels, it looks like this is at 92, so we'll turn it down a little bit. And general, looks like to use this device. Let's see, controller information. Sorry, let me move this over. So it says this device is working properly. You need to restart your computer before the changes will take effect. So I guess it's a matter of me uploading, and you can be the judge of whether this was an actual successful difference in audio. And yeah, so thank you for checking out the unboxing of the Snowball microphone and my very basic review. Be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to check out my other videos. Yeah, have a good evening. Thank you. So I know I said that I was finished the video, but as I looked at it, it looks like the microphone was not picking up the new microphone. So now hopefully it is, but let me check the sound option again. So let's add our source and add audio input, because as you see on the screen after troubleshooting, it says audio format not set to default. So now it's fixed. So now I am adding the audio capture. And switching to the correct microphone. So right now it should have switched over to our audio input capture, and hopefully there's no double sound going on. I turned down the regular mic, and so this is the actual test to see if there's any difference in the microphone. So as you see, that's the reason for this unboxing and review, so that you can do what I did and figure out how to actually get this to work when you first set it up. And so here we have it, and the sound should be different because I'm moving it around versus how I had my built-in microphone. So thank you yet again for checking out this video, and I know it's patched together, but this is real life and an actual unboxing and review. So thanks again.